The terms used in colloidal solution: dispersed phase. Solute is called dispersed phase. The distributed substances is called dispersed phase. Dispersion medium. The continuous medium around dispersed phase is called dispersion medium, or solvent is called dispersion medium. Now colloids are classified according to dispersed phase and dispersion medium into 8 types: solid solid, solid liquid, solid gas, liquid solid, liquid liquid, liquid gas, gas solid and gas liquid. So these are the examples of some colloids: foams, milk, smoke, detergents, aerogel, blood, paint, cosmetics, purple of gaseous. Classification of colloids based on types of phases. Depending upon whether the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are solids, liquids or gases, 8 types of colloids are possible. So these are 8 types of colloids, and names are solid gel, solid, sol, aerosol of solid, gel, emulsion, aerosol, solid form, foam and froth. These are the examples of the colloids. Colloidal solution of graphite in water is called aqua dag. Colloidal solution of graphite in oil is called oil dag. And colloidal solution of gold is called purple of gaseous. Based on the nature of interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium, colloids are classified into 2 types: lyophilic colloids and lyophobic colloids. Lyophilic colloids. These are the colloids in which there is great affinity between the solute and the solvent. These are the colloidal solution in which the particles of the dispersed phase have a great affinity for the dispersion medium. In case water acts as a dispersion medium, the lyophilic colloid is called hydrophilic colloid. These are generally stable due to strong attractive forces operating between the 2 phases: gums, gelatin, starch form lyophilic sols or lyophilic colloids. These are also called intrinsic colloids. Lyophobic colloids, when there is no affinity between the solute and the solvent, they are solvent repelling. These are colloidal solutions in which particles of the dispersed phase have only little affinity for the dispersion medium. Such solutions are relatively less stable and are not easily prepared. Colloidal solutions of gold, silver, ferric hydroxide, arsenic sulfide are lyophobic. These are called extrinsic colloids. So difference between lyophilic and lyophobic sols. What is a sol? Sol is a colloidal solution in which dispersed phase is solid and dispersion medium is liquid. That is a sol. Now lyophilic colloids can be easily prepared by direct mixing. These are reversible. Size of solute particles is comparable to size of true molecules. These are self-stabilized. Particles are not visible even under ultra microscope. But in lyophilic colloids, particles may move towards anode or cathode or may not move at all. In case of lyophobic colloids, they are prepared only by special methods. They are irreversible. Particles constitute aggregates of molecules. They are less stable and require traces of stabilizers. Particles are visible under ultra microscope. Particles may move towards cathode or anode depending upon the charge on the solute particles. Therefore, lyophilic and lyophobic sols can be distinguished on the basis of their preparation, on the basis of their nature of the solute particles, on the basis of size of particles, on the basis of stabilization, on the basis of the visibility, and on the basis of the action of electric field. So they can be distinguished.